Hi, my name is Christian Ziegler. I'm a nature photographer and my focus is on tropical rainforest, both species level and ecosystem. I also pay attention to endangered species. I think it's really important to capture them while we can and draw attention to them. I worked a lot in Panama. I lived there for 15 years and I visited many places in the near tropics. And I also work in Central Africa, covering bonobos, many in CSC. And I really love Asia. I spent a lot of time on Borneo, and I spent 2 years in Bhutan, from the rainforest to the mountains. In Australia, I covered cassowaries and tropical orchids, which was fun. I'm super excited to see your submission for the upcoming contest. I hope to see many beautiful and unique pictures that tells a story. I really enjoy seeing an interaction between animals and plants, like pollination, seed dispersal for example. Good luck and hopefully see you in Taiwan.